வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் டு இன்ஃபோகிராம். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது The Facts.
Moments before a rain event, an earthy smell known as petrichor. A mixture of plant oils, bacterial spores and ozone is responsible for the powerful scent of fresh rain. Volvo invented the 3-point seat belt, then gave the invention away for free. They decided it was too important of an invention to keep to themselves. Although GPS is free for the world to use, it costs $2 million per day to operate. The money comes from American tax revenue. An estimated 50% of all gold ever mined on Earth came from a single plateau in South Africa, Witwatersrand. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, was inaugurated in August 2011.